JORI Company supply the glue machines. This machine is single-head 5-liter pedal glue machine. This machine is single-phase, 220 voltage power. The is the power switch on the behind of the machine. And this is the pedal device which use for control the glue come out from the machine by pedal touch device. The machine is already done the preheating now. This is the glue tank temperature controller. First please press the set button, then you can adjust the temperature up and down. Please press the set button again after you set the temperature which you want. Next temperature controller is for the spray nozzles. Just press the up and down buttons to set the temperature which you want. Here is the quantitative timer relay for the machine. It means we set a time period for the glue amount. It will come out the same glue amount from our machine when the pedal device press time after time. If you want to adjust the time period, just open the cap, then press the buttons. The upper buttons are for reducing, the under buttons are for adding. It is easy to operation. And our machine need connect with the air compressor. This is air tube interface. This is the cap of the melting tank. You can add the glue from here. Now we can test our machine by pedal device. The glue effect just like the video, it will come out the same glue amount when we press the pedal device time after time. If you are interested in our glue machines, welcome to contact us.